guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is what's inside my work bag. Now, I'm probably so late to the game of doing this, but like I said in previous videos, I have to try and find loads of videos ideas to coincide with my holiday. So while I'm away, you guys have still got videos going up. I needed 25 videos ideas to actually do. I'm actually doing them slowly but surely. I think there's that 2 that I've done, which was on my laptop but still needs to be finished. So there's still a few more, and then obviously after them lot it'll be my holiday videos. So I will have like video contents throughout these 25 videos of to do with the holiday. I've got obviously my final come pack with me, what's in my carry-on bag, what's in my handbag, what's in my makeup bag, you know, so I've still got a few more holiday bits coming up before the actual holiday vlog. But this video is what's inside my work bag, so I hope you guys enjoy today's video. This is the bag that I take every day to work with me. I got this bag from temu? Yeah, from temu. I did have my dupe of the Marc Jacobs, the big tote bag, but the strap was breaking and I thought it's going to break even more. The zip was breaking. I thought I really need a new bag. So I saw this on Temu. I thought it's cheap enough, it's small enough just to fit in my lockers. Now at work we have a personal locker which has our bags in and coats or whatever you want to put in there, and then the other locker is for our shoes. So obviously my handbag has to be small enough just to fit in my locker. So this is the bag that I have. Like I said, I got this from Temu. So as you open it up, it's quite big. You can fit so much stuff in there. Obviously you've got 3 compartments. I will show you what I've got, what I take every day, but I've got 3 compartments in my bag. So obviously I do take my lunch in there as well, obviously because it's my work bag. So I have my drink, my sandwiches, my crisps and my little chocolate bars. I only have 15 minutes for lunch, so I don't really have that much time. Within that 15 minutes, obviously the time we've clocked out, that's 2 minutes gone. Then gone actually sat down in the canteen, had our lunch, gone to the toilet or whatever you want to do, and then clock back down. You have to make sure you're within them 15 minutes, otherwise they start deducting your money, which is out of order in my case. I wish we had like 20 minutes or half an hour, but oh well. I don't really take that much in my handbag. I'll just put my handbag on my lap for a second. So the first thing I have is obviously my purse. So if I need any money out on the way home, I take my purse. I make sure I have my purse with me so I can get some money out. Or if I have any loose change, I can get a cup of tea at work. Or I fancy something at the vending machines if I don't have that much in my lunch and I'm really hungry, then I always have my purse with me just in case. Then I always take a body spray with me. Now I normally just take any body sprays that I have. We are not allowed perfumes because we're not allowed to take any glass, anything to do with glass. So perfumes are literally out of the window, but body sprays are perfect. So I've just got the Glow body spray, the Sol Janeiro dupe, which I actually got from Home Bargains. I think I actually showed you these in the actual Home Bargains haul. But yeah, they do smell really nice, by the way, and I love them. They are literally the dupes of the Sol Janeiros, and they're so lovely and so easy to put in your bag as well. Scent don't exactly last long on these, so you literally have to spray every single minute of the day because the scent don't exactly last long. So that is obviously what I keep in this department here. Then what I keep in the middle section here, it's so hard to show you. So obviously it's 3 sections. So in the middle part of my bag, I have one of these. Now, I probably showed you these before. You women will understand. This is my storage for like period pads, paracetamols, anything that I need. So I just have some paracetamols in there, some period pads, you know, just in case if I ever come on at work, I'm always prepared. I'm always prepared for anything, so I always have them. And my place, And nine times out of 10 I get major headaches from work as well, because the lights are so strong. I get major headaches, so it's better to be prepared with the paracetamols as well. Then I have my earphones with me, just in case if Lisa's not at work and I have to walk on my own. Then I have, obviously, my keys, because otherwise I won't be able to get in. Then I have my tablets that I take daily. So obviously I had to get some more of these for the holiday, because I need to put them in my pill dispenser, which you guys will see in that video. But these are the Conceive and Plus Ovulation Support. So I have to take 4 of these every day. So I have to have these in my handbag, because obviously I've got to take these every single day. So I have them. And then I have these ones, which are the Conceive Plus Women's Fertility Support, and I have to take 2 of these every day. These ones are horrible. You can literally smell them as soon as you open the pot. They are literally vile, but if it helps me, then I will just take any of them. Obviously I have POS, so it's hard to even conceive or anything, and to sort my period out as well, because my period's all over the place. So that is what I have in my middle compartment. And then obviously the end compartment here of my bag is empty. Oh, actually it's got my lip balm, Carmex lip balm. I normally have 2 of these actually. I think I have got 2, so I've got that one. I think the other one is in here. I swear I put a Nivea one in here as well. I normally have 2 lip balms. I must have taken that one out. But I normally have 2 lip balms, just in case if I can't find one, I've always got a spare. But the end compartment is where I put my lunch, so my drink, my sandwiches, you know, where I put all my lunch for work. So that is everything in my work bag. So guys, that is what's inside my work bag. It's probably not much. Most people just probably put loads more stuff in there, but obviously I don't really need to take so much stuff with me to work, because I'm only there for 8 hours. I only need like a drink, a lunch, obviously my purse and stuff, my keys. Everything else I just keep at home. There's no point of taking absolutely loads of stuff. Like loads of people take makeup and stuff like that. I don't see what's the point when you're working. But yeah, that is what's inside my work bag. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I'm probably, like I said, I'm probably so late to the game, but I wanted to make up videos for you guys, just so you've still got content going up while I'm away on holiday. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, as always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.